parents died, I swore on their graves that I would not just take care of you, but raise you right.
But you did, Lolo. How did you find out, Lolo?
Kahit hindi mo naman sabihin sa akin eh. Parang may naramdaman ako na mali. That's why I had to come here to Manila. Just to see for myself kung talagang nag-asawa ka na. And I know you wouldn't do anything para masaktan ako. Dahil mahal kita, I wanted to believe na talagang asawa mo nga yung lalaking yun. Tapos, buntis ka pa. That really made me happy.
Ay, Patrick, huwag mo sayangin ang pagkain, ha? Pinaghirapan niya ng kuya mo.
Ay, ayoko nang pag-usapan niya yun. Nandiyan pa si Patrick, eh.
Ayaw mong malaman niya kung ano yung kamali ang ginawa mo?
Sa kwarto.
Remember nung sinamahan ako ni Cons para ihatid ako sa condominium? We passed by the showroom. It so happened I saw your computer. I saw the folder na nakalagay yung prenup. Gusto ko sana makita yung mga pictures na ng wedding niyo na baka hindi mo napadala sa akin sa Malaysia. I'm sorry.
Hindi naman sa pinapasa ko yung sisi, pero si Lily yung lumapit sa akin. Sabi niya, gusto niyang pasayin yung pamilya niya. Tinulungan ko lang siya, Nay. Sa gipit lang din ako.
Walang gipit-gipit. Sanay naman tayo sa hirap, ha? Bakit? Kaya naman natin umahon ng hindi nanloloko ng tao. Pero hindi sa ganyang paraan. Anak, hindi kita pinalaki para manloko ng tao. Nakakahiya. Matanda pa yung niloko mo. Eh, paano kung atakihin yan?
Nay. Nay.
I never want you to feel bad.
Was I asking too much? I only wanted you to find someone who could care for you, make you smile, and make you happy. I was just worried for you because you've been working so hard.
I was worried about you too, Lolo. But what I want the most is that you're happy.
If it wasn't time for you to get married, naintindihan ko rin naman yun. Alam mo naman, lambing ko lang naman sa'yo yun. Hindi ko akalain siseryosohin mo ng ganun. I think it's time to go back to Malaysia as soon as possible. We might as well start that extension office that we've always wanted. There's too much trouble here.
But Lolo...
No more talk. Look where it got you. Look where it got me.
Ayun na. Ayun na yung ano natin. Ayun natin.
Saan po ito?
Patingin na lang dyan sa may side. Doon.
Dito sa gilid. Pa tayo?
Doon sa gilid, sa side.
Maganda. Maganda ba?
Okay na ba? Lipat ko kaya? Teka. Lipat ko lang gusto ano, sandali lang. Pag ganito na lang pala kasi may lalagay pa pala akong TV dyan eh. Pag ganito na lang. Ayan. Nagbago na yung isip ko eh. Dito na lang siya. Okay. Ganda, di ba? Okay na ba sa'yo yan? Baka gusto mo ibalik doon. Sinapit ko.
Ano?
Ayun, okay na siya. Okay na ba sa'yo yan? Balik na lang natin ulit. Pabalik na lang daw kasi parang ayaw niya yan eh. Pakisandal na lang ulit doon. Balik na lang sa dati. Yan, mas maganda pakibalik na lang doon.
Kayo na lang kaya maglipat nito. Kanina pa kami paulit-ulit, parang kama lang, di nyo alam kung saan nyo lalagay eh.
Hindi tama naman ako.
Akala nyo kasi sweet kayo habang buhay, maghihiwalay din kayo. Hoy! Angelo! Ano?
Ba't nagreklamo yung kliyente na pinaiyak mo daw yung babae?
Anong gusto mong gawin ko? Nairita ako eh. Sila lang ba yung in love? Sila lang ba yung bagong kasal?
Kaya nga bagong kasal. Kaya nga naglalambingan. Tanga ka ba?
Anong gusto mong gawin ko?
At sa kanino mo binabaan yung pagkainis mo? Tandaan mo kliyente yun.
Ano ngayon? Nairita ako eh.
Lakas ng pagka-bad trip mo. Anong problema mo? Naiinggit ka. Ha?
What happened? I know something's wrong. You don't approve anything on the first pass. And what's this talk about you leaving? Lola wants me to go back to KL. Like ka nang pupunta ng KL eh. We do what we always do. Video conference as usual. No. This is different. She wants me to move back to KL. Lola found out about Jello this morning. Lola Jean already met your husband. Duh. That's the thing. He found out that he's not my husband for real. He found out that I paid him. Oh, paano niya nalaman? Oh my God. Tumaan kami dito kagabi, baka nakita niya. Sorry, Lily. I shouldn't have brought Lola Jean here.
Kung ako sa'yo, maghanap ka na lang ng babaeng mayaman na naghahanap ng peking asawa.
Ay, sumusobra ka na.
Sumusobra. Totoo naman eh,
Oo
di
nga,
ba?
below the belt ka na nga eh.
Below the belt, hindi ba totoo?
Kung ano yung sa amin ni Lily, wala ka nang pakialam dun, ha? Basta ako, alam ko, yung sa amin, di fake yun, okay?
How did this happen, Cons? It was the perfect plan. How did it fall apart? You're panicking for the wrong thing, Lily. It's not obvious that you should worry about. I disappointed Lola Jean. And he wants to send me back to KL. And I have to find a replacement for this place. And I don't want to go back there. This is my life here. I disappointed Jello. I didn't stand up for him. I had to worry about everything. No, okay, no, Lily, you listen to me. You only have to worry for you, not for anyone else. You just got your heart broken. You're allowed to cry.
Don't go away.